The lshw command, which is short for hardware lister, is a powerful tool used to gather detailed information about your computer's hardware configuration. It provides a comprehensive report of all hardware components present in your system, such as the CPU, memory, storage devices, network interfaces, and more. To use the lshw command, open your terminal and type sudo lshw. You'll need to use sudo because gathering hardware information often requires administrator privileges. Once you run this command, lshw will analyze your system and display a detailed list of all detected hardware components, including their specifications and configurations. The lshw command comes with several options to customize the output according to your needs. To get a brief summary format, use the option Short. For an output in HTML format, use the option HTML. This is useful for creating reports that can be viewed in a web browser. To generate an XML format output, which is often used for data interchange between applications, use the option XML. You can also filter the output to show information about specific hardware classes only. To view information about the CPU, use the option C processor. For memory information, use C memory. And for network devices, use C network. The short format provides a concise overview of the hardware components. To use the short format, type sudo lshw short in your terminal. The output displays the hardware path, device name, class, and a brief description for each component. This format is useful when you need a quick snapshot of the system's hardware without all the details. Hardware classes allow you to focus on specific components within your system. For CPU information, use the processor class. For random access memory details, use the memory class. To view details about storage devices, use the disk class. And for network adapters, use the network class. Other classes include display for graphics cards, multimedia for audio devices, USB for USB controllers, and bridge for system bridges. To view detailed information about the processor, type sudo lshw C processor in your terminal. This command will display specifics such as the processor's name, vendor, clock speed, and supported features. This is helpful when troubleshooting performance issues or verifying system specifications. For suppressing status messages, use the option Quiet. To show numeric IDs instead of names, use the option Numeric. To disable specific tests during hardware detection, use the option Disable Test. You can also redirect the output of lshw to a file for later analysis or reporting. To save the output to a text file, use lshw hardware.txt. To generate an HTML report, use lshw html report.html. To remove sensitive data from the output, use the option Sanitize. In summary, the lshw command is a valuable tool for system administrators and technicians, providing comprehensive hardware information. Its versatility with multiple output formats like short, HTML, and XML makes it suitable for various use cases. It serves as an essential tool for hardware inventory and system diagnostics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.